Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. Today, in this video, we will learn how you can make $100 a day, $300 a day, $500 a day, or even $1,000 a day using Metaverse. Metaverse. Wow. Is this what you said when you heard the word Metaverse from Mark Zuckerberg? Well, I did so. And since then, Metaverse has become a big and trending keyword, and a lot of people have started making money. And in fact, you and me can make money as well. Not only that, using this technique, the technique I'm about to show you in this video, please stay tuned till the end of the video because everything will be in step by step. And if you miss any step somewhere in the video, chances are it will lead you to failure. I want your success. And that is also why I'm giving away one of my softwares, premium softwares, 100% free, link in the description. This will work in line with this video. And also another thing, we are going to use Google, our best friend, and Google's free services to get success in this system. Okay, so let's begin. All right, so Metaverse. Look at YouTube. You're gonna see on the top right corner, I'm using TubeBuddy for these stats. Link in the description. You can get free trial to TubeBuddy if you want to use. If you don't want to use, it's no issues. Searches per month currently 156,000 on YouTube. Super awesome, right? Okay, now if we go to Google Trends, you see there was really no keyword called Metaverse in the past. Suddenly it became a keyword on October 24th, something like that. Probably when Mark Zuckerberg announced Meta, something like this. Okay, now how are we going to make money with it? I'll show you an example. But before that, let me introduce myself and tell you a little bit about my story because it's directly related. Back when I started in a website called Warrior Forum. This is Warrior Forum. Now, at this point, Warrior Forum may or may not be that crowded or that big of a thing, but at that time it was. All the people bringing in new money-making softwares, products, courses were launching on Warrior Forum in the WSO or Warrior Special Offers section. All right, so I kept looking, and of course, buying, and of course, learning, and of course, trying. I made money here and there, but what I found that affiliate marketing is about building list and building relationship with the list, subscribers, email subscriber, and then promoting stuff to them. So then I started thinking, how can I start building list? And that seemed to be expensive. I tried solo ads, expensive. I tried with, of course, I had to buy autoresponders, that was expensive. Then I figured, why not I use the technology that social influencers use, the technique that news websites and news channels use. What they do is they talk about what already happened, and they talk about what they think about what happened, who is responsible, whose job it was, who did not do a good job, who did play well, who won the vote, who lost the election. Are these what news channels talk about? Yes. And we readers read from them and we buy from their advertisements. So why not I start talking about what's going on? So you see, just like you and me, I used to research a lot about what's going on in the internet marketing arena. Who is making money, what type of software is coming out, which software does what product can help you, what not, etc. I used to do a lot of these researches, and I'm sure you do the same as well, right? So why not I put those information in a Google document? All right, so I started doing that, and then all I did was go to file section and click download and download the document as a PDF. That is it. And then I started sharing that PDF as lead magnet. In where? Do you know that? In Warrior Forum. Yes, I used to use my signature link and it was sending to an opt-in page. An opt-in page would give you, after signing up, the document that I created after looking around, gathering information. That is it. So why am I talking about Metaverse and then Warrior Forum and then PDF? Isn't it about you making money? Yes, let me show you an example. Mr. Who is the Boss. His video is on third in search on YouTube. So imagine he received 855,000 views in just 15 hours. Yes, his videos are super awesome. I'm a big fan of it. Of course, if you know him and you are a fan of Tech Channel, you love him as well. But this man is very smart and he's a trend rider. So what he did is he did exactly what I did back in the day and you do every single day. He studied the whole thing and put the information together in his channel in his style. And guess what? He is enjoying the traffic. Can you do this? Absolutely. I'm going to show you how to do this. You can use premium softwares to do this, or you can use your own time and work that you already spend doing what I have just shared with you. Now, another example to this is Mr. Gabby Lane. Who doesn't know him? He is a boss. Now, what does he do? Well, before that, let me solve one problem. The problem is Mosh. Is it Metaverse or talking about other people's stuff is really lame? No, look at Gabby Lane. It's not. Gabby doesn't create anything new. He reacts to something that has already happened. Someone made a video on something, he just reacts to it. That's it. So when you create a content, I mean a PDF using the free Google's service, you're going to use Google. All you're going to do is search information on Google. And what you learned, example, now I'm learning about Metaverse on Wikipedia, and I found this awesome piece of paragraph shareable with others, and even something that I can take note for my personal information. I'm just gonna copy it, paste it here, Control-Shift-V. I'll copy the URL, paste it here as source. This sounds good. Now let's go to another website, that's USA Today. Now I got one paragraph, if not a couple more paragraphs, really nice. Just copied them and pasted here. Now here's the deal. This document is my document. I can copy it, I can do whatever I want with it, right? And also what I can do is to copy the URL of the original creator and give them full credit. Source, looks nice. And I'll name it Mosh Metaverse document. Once I'm done with it, simply click File, Download, and download as PDF document. I can open it, I can share this with my followers. Now this way I can gather as many information as I want about Metaverse, about Gabby Lane, or about anything I want. Now this has become my personal lead magnet. I can give this away for free in exchange of email subscription. Now you can use this same system for literally in any industry, for any website to build list of subscribers. And because of the information that you have gathered, they will not hate you for stealing, kinda. They will love you. Besides, at the end of the day, in my opinion, you should always give full credit to the original creators. But what's important here is riding trends. That's exactly what I did back in the day on Warrior Forum, and till date I do the same. Mr. Who's the Boss does the same. Gabby Lane does the same. And look at the numbers. So link in the description will get you a software that can turn these PDFs into your lead magnet, your opt-in page, and your referral viral traffic generation system. Go get it. It's free, totally free. But by the way, in case you want to use other people's content as your own website, you can use Maven. That's also linked in the description. I hope this video was helpful. So the steps to follow is find trends using Google's Trends, which is a Google's free service. Look for number of searches and how hot the topic is using Google Keyword Planner tool or softwares like Ubersuggest, which is freemium. It is free partly, and if you want to use extensively, you can get the premium version as well. Use YouTube to find whether it's really hot or not. And once it's hot, while you are doing this research, take this research information, put them into free Google document, download them as PDF, and upload it in Google Drive. Share the link with your friends and family in social media. By the way, if you really want to have them join your mailing list and send more and more traffic to your PDFs, then you have to use the software, and that is the link in the description. Go get it for free. So using Metaverse or any other keyword, you can make money, build list, and drive viral traffic, and use that traffic to send to any link you want and make money from there. Do you know we upload videos every single day, but you can be the first one if you like this video. Subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as YouTube will take the responsibility of notifying you when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.